Namaste, I'm Shiva Swati. Welcome to the Voice of God channel. This video is about explaining some naturopathy exercises which you can add in your daily routine to detoxify your system and improve oxygen supply in your body. I have given a blog along with this video which you can read. I am not a naturopathy doctor, so I cannot prescribe exact exercises required by different types of patients. However, these are basic maintenance exercises which I am giving in this video. So one is hot feet in water. Second is a chest pack. Third is a hot and wet towel on the neck or nose wherever there is blockages. Fourth is oil massage on chest, feet, hands, stomach and all over body if possible. And fifth is sauna bath, steam bath. These 5 exercises everyone can do regularly. You can, if you may not be able to afford a steam bath, but you can do steam inhalation regularly. These exercises are very good for removing depression, asthma, and problems like cancer also. And they are very useful in the pandemic because congestion is the main problem in this pandemic, and these exercises help you remove congestion on a daily basis. They cannot work for very acute patients, but they work for normal people who are susceptible to attack. They definitely help prevent the attack. And they also help after you have been diagnosed with an infection. They help you release the infection without taking excessive medicines or having side effects. There is a clinic of Dr. Praveen Saxena in Hyderabad who is doing chelation therapy, and he is curing severe problems of heart attacks and like autism and several other problems which are due to toxic substances in the body. So his therapy is anti-vaccination therapy, because they say that these problems come in the body due to vaccinations, because vaccinations inject the problem inside your body. So as soon as you have a vaccine injected in you, you are a potential carrier of the problem, and over time due to stress the problem can develop in your body simply because a vaccine has been given. So chelation therapy is anti-vaccination therapy, and it has significantly helped hundreds of people get cured of problems like heart problems and heart attacks and indigestion problems and fatal problems, simply by removing the effects of vaccination in the body through using enema, and they have some detoxifying drips etc. which work. So I have tried these exercises for my asthma, naturopathy exercises, diabetes and first stage of pre-stage of cancer before it developed. So because I am very aware of my body system and I know wherever there is congestion, I remove it immediately before it affects my mind and soul. So I could detect the problems at the early stages and immediately go for naturopathy exercises, naturopathy treatment, and crystal therapy and past life therapy. These are core healing therapies. However, if you cannot detect problems inside your body, once you find out, you can try these exercises. They definitely help. You will not find the results immediately, but you will find the results in 24 hours or 48 hours, and you will feel much better than by taking conventional allopathic medicines which have a lot of side effects. So allopathy does not suit me, and I was so susceptible to bronchitis and congestion problems, especially after childbirth, and I went into depression because nothing was working. I was taking antibiotics continuously, and then I went into naturopathy treatment after doing past life therapy and Reiki. And when I combined all of that, I was suddenly free of breathing problems and nose blockages, which was horrible. So I was suddenly free of these problems, and that is why I recommend these therapies, and they are very good. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.